Hey folks, medical hypnotherapist Roger Moore here. Let's start this week out by just taking a few moments to be mindful. So just allow your eyelids to close, and as you're taking a deep breath, filling your lungs completely, hold it for a moment, and then slowly exhale, letting go of any tension. Notice the sensation of the air entering your nostrils and feeling cool as it flows in and warmer as you breathe out. Bring your attention to this present moment. Allow your thoughts to come and go without clinging to them. Imagine them as clouds passing through the sky, gently floating away. Feel the weight of your body where it touches the ground. Notice the sensations in your feet, legs, and hands. Simply observe without judgment. If your mind wanders, just gently bring your focus back to your breath. Inhale deeply, exhale slowly. Allow yourself to be fully present, appreciating this moment of stillness. Letting thoughts or feelings pass by like leaves on a stream. Stay here in the present for as long as you need. And when you're ready, take one more deep breath and slowly open your eyelids. Have a wonderful week. Be nice, be kind, and be the greatest expression of you.